Hi, welcome to my video on the result of a rate times a time. So rate times time gives us a distance, or it could give us a volume, or it could give us a number of liters or gallons, etc., etc. So I'm doing this short video to explain the rate times time in relation to the pre-calculus and some word problems. Identify the rate in each. Well, in A, we have 4 m per second. So that's 4, and that's meters, per s is seconds. So that's the rate. And again, we got meters per second, what I want to get at. And right here I have 4, and this is cubic meters, and cubic meters per second, S, and cubic meters is a volume. So when you see this, you're trying to find the volume. And meters here could be find the length of a radius, or so that's the length of a radius. It could be the length of a side, etc., etc. And here we have 4 square meters, and that's per hour. So that's the area. So square meters, where the rate of the area is changing per hour. And right here we have 4L, and we say note L as liters, and is per minute. So that's the number in the capacity, how a liquid or a gas is changing per liter in minutes. Well, what about if t is time in seconds, what is? So if you take the rate, which is 4 right here, which is 4 meters per second, multiply by time, and the time this is seconds, so let's put an S here for seconds. The seconds cancel out, so I get 4t meters. What I'm getting at, I'm looking at, we have 4t. So if you have 4 meters per second, you multiply by 2 seconds, you get 8 meters. If you multiply by 10 seconds, you get 40 meters, so 4t. So whatever t is, if t is 0, then you have 0 meters. T is 1, you have 4 meters, etc. And here we multiply by t, again put the s for seconds, the time cancels out, and we get 4t meters cubed. So this time, if t is 0, we get 0 cubic meters. If t is 1, we get 4 cubic meters. And right here, the time is hours. H is for hours, so the time is hours, so the hours cancels out. So I get 4t meters squared. So I have 4t is the number of square meters. Again, it's an area. And this is 4t. We're going to put minutes here. So the minutes cancel out, so I get 4t liters. So even though each one of these has 4t, this is meters, this is volume, this is area, and this is capacity, number of liters. Number 3, each is the average rate of change. Multiply each by time and state result. So just a review. So this is the average rate of change of area divided by time. So there's 2 square centimeters per hour. So if we multiply it by t hours, the hours cancels out. So I get 2 square centimeters per, and you can see 2, we got to put the t in, 2t square centimeters. So again, 2t. And here I'm multiplying it by time is in minutes, so the minutes cancels out, so I get 6t feet So if you have 6 feet per minute and you multiply it by t minutes, then you're going to get 6t feet. Again, 6t. But we have to know that we're dealing with feet, which is length. And here we're multiplying it by t seconds. And that's S is for seconds. So we multiply by t seconds. We get negative 5t milliliters. So if you have 2 seconds, then you get 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10 milliliters. And here you're going to change your rate, multiplied by time, which is, again, t, any number greater than 0. T hours. Again, as you can see, the hours cancels out, and we get 10t cubic meters. So we have 10 cubic meters, which is the volume. So you multiply by time, 10t is the number of cubic meters that you have. So that's explaining the conversion that we'll use in the word problems in terms of expressing a function as a value of t, the value of time. If you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called mathfullyexplained.com. Notice just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.